Welcome to the Law Office of Brian F. Fagan podcast, where we empower Texas families through knowledge and compassion. Becoming a parent through adoption is a significant life event, but it is also a specific legal undertaking. To reach finalization, you must meet several strict requirements set by the state. In Texas, this process is governed entirely by the Texas Family Code. The court supervises every stage to ensure that all procedural steps are followed exactly as the law requires. A successful adoption depends on three primary factors: the formal termination of prior parental rights, full statutory compliance, and final approval from a judge. Understanding these requirements chronologically allows you to move through the court system with confidence. By following these steps, you can focus on the outcome rather than the complexity of the legal filings. Every case begins by identifying the specific legal category that applies to your situation. Step 1 is defining the adoption type. Texas law handles step-parent adoptions, relative adoptions, and private agency placements differently, and your specific path will dictate your next moves. Regardless of the category, certain prerequisites apply to everyone. You must be at least 21 years old, financially stable, and able to provide references who can speak to your fitness as a parent. Step 2 is clearing the legal path. This is a mandatory requirement. All prior parental rights must be terminated before a new parent-child relationship can be established. This diagram shows the legal connections that must be addressed. Termination occurs through voluntary relinquishment or a court order. You cannot finalize an adoption while prior rights exist. The child's legal ties to biological parents must be fully dissolved and formally approved by a judge. Because a child can only have two legal parents at one time, this step is the non-negotiable foundation for your case. If the prior rights are not terminated, the court cannot grant your petition. Once the legal standing is established, the focus turns to the practical evaluation of your home and your family. Step 3 is completing the required clearances. Most Texas adoptions require a formal evaluation of the adoptive home, including criminal background checks, reference reviews, and a home visit assessment. This is known as a home study. Licensed social workers conduct these evaluations to verify that the environment is safe, stable, and capable of meeting a child's emotional and physical needs. While certain relative or step-parent cases may be eligible for a waiver of some requirements, most applicants should be prepared to complete this evaluation as part of the standard process. If you are currently researching these requirements and need guidance on your specific case, visit brianfagan.com or schedule a confidential consultation. Step 4 is the formal initiation of your case. This requires filing the proper legal documents with the court. You must file a petition for adoption in the county where you or the child resides. This document contains identifying information, the legal basis for the adoption, and the specific relief you are seeking from the judge. Successfully filing the petition makes the case active and legally recognized by the court. It marks the point where your personal goals become a formal legal matter. Step 5 is the mandatory waiting period. Texas law generally requires that the child has resided with the adoptive parents for a specified duration before the case can be finalized. This placement period usually lasts 6 months. This time allows the court to evaluate the stability of the home and the child's adjustment to the new environment. Following this timeline is essential. Rushing the process without a specific judicial exception can lead to delays or the denial of your final request. Step 6 is ensuring you have proper legal representation. Experienced counsel verifies that every filing meets statutory standards and helps prevent procedural errors that could jeopardize your timeline. Working with a specialist provides a safeguard for your family, ensuring that the months of preparation and emotional investment are protected by a sound legal strategy. After statutory periods are met, your case moves to the final stage, the adoption hearing. The adoption is made permanent when a judge signs the final order during this formal hearing. During the hearing, the judge reviews the home study, verifies all waiting periods have passed, and confirms the adoption serves the child's best interest. When the judge signs the final adoption order, it creates a permanent, irrevocable parent-child relationship. This order allows for the issuance of an amended birth certificate reflecting the new family structure. To begin your process, subscribe to this podcast, share this episode, and call 281-810-9760 to discuss your options with our team. Thank you for listening to the Law Office of Brian Fagan podcast, where families find freedom and peace of mind through education and expert legal care. For more information or to schedule your free consultation, visit our website or call 281-810-9760 today.